Hello, everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Ukraine? The average annual gross salary is $3,750, or roughly $313 per month. After tax, the average net salary is $3,019 yearly, or about $252 monthly. In Kyiv, cleaners earn more. The gross salary there is $4,425 per year, around $369 per month. The net salary is $3,562 yearly, or roughly $297 monthly. Experience, cleaning skills, and the type of workplace can raise pay. Night shifts and larger buildings may also offer more. These are estimated figures, and real pay can differ by employer and location. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.